Just like any other weekend, I set my pace on the road to go to the reachable communities, to look for the vulnerable women and girls that have suffered the gender inequalities and all those that have faced the consequences of coronavirus. Not being lucky enough, a lot of women have not had this opportunity, but then they were all scared to talk about their experiences, what they're going through. They were scared that they will be judged. They were scared that they will be disowned. They were scared that they might lose their marriages if they came out and spoke about. Scared to voice their issues. Till this particular moment, they cannot voice what they're going through in their homes. This is really sad because the increased domestic violence has led to the loss of many lives. Many women have died. A lot of them have lived with scars to remember. A lot of them believe that when they are with their husbands, everything will be well despite the fighting, despite the abuse that is going on. But then they aren't willing to go to police stations. They aren't willing to voice what was hurting, to voice what they were going through. Being lucky, I find this 20-year-old lady wearing a weary face. She was pregnant. She was hopeless. She never knew what was coming next in her life. She says, ever since the lockdown began, the person I've been living with, the person I was depending on, lost their job. And this particular moment they cannot help. It's unfortunate that this happened in the later months of my pregnancy when I am due to giving birth. But I really don't know what I'm going to do with my baby. I don't know how I'm going to nurse myself after pregnancy. I don't know how I'm going to take good care of my baby because this person lost their job. But this all has been due to the coronavirus lockdown that has affected a lot of people, especially the women. We are going to understand that this pandemic has affected women and men differently, but then the women are suffering more